Hello guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Scratch account and also how to and the basic sprite stuff. Okay, so there are going to be a lot of parts of this one, so let's get started. So first go to scratch.mit.edu. So this is the link. Scratch.mit scratch.mit.edu. That's a hard word to say. And then you simply say join Scratch. Username, anything. Catty Perry, Catty Perry, cat. You could literally anything, but it has to be good and no one has to use it. So like Catty Perry password. I'm not unsure what, and I'll skip a password. Wait a second. Yep, and this username is taken. So I'll just -90 and I'll put in a password. I just paused the video and put in password. Wait, 3, 2, and 1. So this is join Scratch, and then you just simply you create a password, then next, and I won't tell my password right now. What country do you live in? You can use your country. I don't want to use my country, so I'm just gonna random one. Albania. Oh, when were you born? You can just put anything. I don't want to put it. You can put your but I want. Okay, so I'm 19. I'm too old. Haha. And then you have to select your gender. I'm saying prefer not to say. Email address. I'm just gonna put this off screen, so just you can know. If you don't know. So then once you put in your email ID and click next, then you get this for not if you're a robot or not. Okay. So you have to do this here. So all images with fire. Yep, these three. And just zoom in. This one. Let me see if there are any other hydrants. It's not for. Yep, they're verified. Yep, I can verify. Yep. Yeah. So it comes welcome to Scratch, Cadbury 90. Cadbury 90. Yeah, done. So this is a Cadbury 10. And I'm gonna show you the basics of Scratch. Sprites. Quickly. Magic of editing will do it. Oh wait, it has to be done. What? Okay, so I can do the sprite's name here. Change the sprite's name here. X and Y's, like X is the left and Y of the character. Y is the left, up and down of the character. Show, hide, the size changing, one direction, choose a sprite, and all of that, etc. And yeah, that's today's tutorial. Yeah, you can change from here your project state. I'm gonna keep it done. So bye guys, see you next time. Wait, peace and love from me. Bye.